How to set up Waze app speed camera alert. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Waze app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on Alerts and Reports, which you will find in Driving Preferences. Then click on Reports at the top and click on Cameras. Click on Speed Camera and turn this on. After you turn Alert while driving and Show on Map, you will be alerted and you're good to go. This is how to set up Waze app Speed Camera Alert. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.